In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo Mail account. By the end, you'll have a brand new email address and be ready to send and receive messages. All you'll need is an internet connection and a mobile phone for verification. Start by opening your web browser and heading to yahoo.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign In. On the Sign In page, choose Create an Account to begin setting up your new profile. You'll see a simple form. Enter your full name exactly as you'd like it to appear on your account. Next, pick your new Yahoo email address. Try something easy to remember, and if your first choice is taken, add a few numbers or a unique word to make it available. Then create a strong password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so it's secure, and avoid using information that's easy to guess. Now, provide your date of birth. Use the fields to select your month, day, and year. This helps Yahoo confirm your age and tailor certain settings. Make sure you enter it accurately. When you're finished with those details, click Next. You'll be asked for your phone number. Enter a mobile number you can access right now because Yahoo will send you a verification code. This step helps protect your account and makes it easier to recover if you ever forget your password. Choose how you'd like to receive the code. You can get it by text message, or if it's available in your region and on your device, you can receive it on WhatsApp. Pick whichever option is more convenient for you. Once the code arrives, type the 6-digit number into the verification field. Double check each digit to avoid errors. After you've entered the code, click Next to confirm and continue. At this point, your browser or device may offer to let you sign in with your fingerprint, face, or a device code in the future. This is optional but can make logging in faster and more secure. You can allow it now or choose Not Now if you prefer to stick with your password. Finally, click Done. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail account is ready. You'll be taken to your inbox where you can start composing emails, organizing folders, and exploring settings at your own pace. If you ever need to adjust your profile or security preferences, you can find those options in the Account or Settings menu. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Yahoo Mail account.